Good morning, dear student. Have a nice. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at home. Dear student, stay home, stay safe, and take care yourself. As you know, ASF Public School and College Karachi this week assignment 12 class prep week Monday till Friday subject English teacher I am Ms. Durdana Alam. Dear student, come on the Monday. Topic is introduction of color. This day we are going to learn the colors name. Okay, first of all, we have to learn the colors name orally. Okay, so I explain the primary colors, then I explain the secondary color. Okay, as you know, you have learned the primary colors. What are the primary colors? Basic color we call the red and yellow or and blue. Okay, so three colors are we call the primary color, or then other color we call the secondary color. Okay, I explain why we call the secondary color. So on this map you can see the secondary colors are orange, green and violet. Secondary mean second, these colors can be created by mixing other color. Okay, so is it clear? What are the primary color? Three colors are primary colors: red, yellow and blue. Then other colors we call the secondary. The next picture is okay, there is a picture and fruits name also there and color also given there. Okay, you can identify the colors and fruits name we have learned it, okay, in previous weeks. Okay, so again read with me: strawberry, pineapple, cherry, watermelon, banana, apple, grapes, orange, pear, apple. Okay, apple color green also given there and red one also given there. Okay, strawberry is red. Okay, and pineapple is yellow. Yes, and cherry also in red color, watermelon also in green color, banana is yellow, and there's one green apple and grapes in purple color. Okay, orange is in orange color, pear is green. Okay, and this one apple is red. So do you like it, the fruit? Which fruit do you like it? Okay, so read it, the colors name, and identify the fruits name also there. Okay, so you can identify the colors name plus fruits name. Okay, next slide. Okay, Tuesday work is topic: write the colors name on copy. Okay, so first of all you will write the colors name, then write the colors name. Okay, so I explain it. Red color. Okay, so this one is the red, and what is the beginning sound of red? Red. And second is yellow. What is the beginning sound for yellow? Yellow. And what is the beginning sound of green? Green. What is the beginning sound of orange? Orange. What is the beginning sound of purple? Purple. Okay. What is the beginning sound of blue? Blue. So is it clear? So come on the copy page. Okay, open the copy. Dear student, open the copy and same as it is you have to write the follow up the work. Okay, in sequence: red, blue, yellow, green, orange, purple. Okay, you have to write on copy. Okay, so next is Wednesday. Wednesday topic: uses of on and in textbook, page number 10. This one topic is preposition. Okay, first of all I explain the preposition. What are the preposition? Okay, so new topic we are given there. Okay, so it's very easy, you can learn by heart. Okay, what are the preposition? first explain definition of preposition. Okay, listen to me carefully. Okay, a preposition is a word used to link nouns, pronouns, or phrases to other words. Okay, within a sentence, they act to connect the people, objects, time, and locations of a sentence. Okay, prepositions are usually short words and they are normally placed directly in front of nouns. In some cases, you will find prepositions in front of gerund verb. Okay, so dear student, you are in a small age, so but I have to explain the preposition, that's why I am giving in total English in English speaking. So but don't worry. Okay, so come on the next. Okay, next, read page number, so read page number 10. Okay, open the textbook and open the page number 10. Topic is on and in. Okay, read all of you with me. Okay, repeat the sentences. Okay, a cat on a wall. Say with me, a cat on a wall, a boy on a mat, a mouse in a jug, a hen in a box, a cat in a bin, a ruler on a book. Okay, so dear student, as you know, a or an we have learned in last days. Okay, so where we have to use a or an. Okay, and we use a start of the beginning sound of vowel. A we use a start beginning of sound of consonants, as you know. So I am asking the question, this day we are learning uses of on and in. Okay, so where is the cat? So answer is cat on a wall. Is it clear? Where is a boy? A boy on a mat. Okay, where is a mouse? A mouse in a jug. Okay, where is a hen? A hen in a box. Where is a cat? A cat in a bin. Okay, where is the ruler? Tell me. Yes, a ruler on a book. So dear student, only just you have to read the orally. Okay, there is no any written work. Okay, is it clear my point? Dear student, just you have to underline the okay on and in. Okay, next is Thursday. Thursday topic on the road, textbook page number 12. Dear student, open the book and open the page number 12. Okay, the topic is on the road. The topic is on the road, and there is also given the preposition in, on, and at. Okay, so look at the picture and talk about it. Okay, we will talk about it. Okay, so dear student, first of all read with me. Look at the girl. Say with me, look at the girl is on the elephant. The boy is on the cycle. The man is in the car. The monkey is in the car. Look at the girl, look at the boy, look at the man, look at the monkey. Okay, so dear student, you have to read orally. There is no any written work. Okay, just read it. Okay, and uses of, where is the use on, where is the use of in, where is the use of at. Okay, so given in this sentences. Okay, yes, right. So look, girl is on the elephant. Okay, I am asking the question, where is the girl? So the girl is on the elephant. Where is the boy? The boy is on the cycle. Where is the man? The man is in the car. Where is the monkey? The monkey is in the car. Okay. So you can give the answer. I know that okay, you will read it thoroughly and revise the preposition again and again. So you can learn easily. Okay. There is no any written word. So dear student, come on. Next day is Friday. Friday, revise the pages number 10 and 12 textbook. Okay. So dear student, come on the next week with new lesson. Thank you.